But you already know it's coming soon. I'm just doing a lot of my reviews, trying to make sure you know what I'm talking about. They got a 30 round clip. I'm trying to see if that bitch work before I even order all this shit for it. So yeah, y'all. Rock 57 coming soon, y'all. We finna do the damn thing, y'all. Yeah, it's going down, y'all. Much love to everybody in China, y'all. Black Mud is killing it. It's 49 time, yeah. Oh yeah, and Big Mike, y'all gotta put a stain on them damn Eagles. You did. So yeah, everybody say y'all gotta do something to them Eagles, man. You did. She in her crunk. She in her crunk. Look at that red. Look at that red. She in her crunk, y'all. She in her crunk already. I already heard now. She in her showing out. Cause you know when we play, it's like Bloods against the Crips. She ain't already now. Look at all that red. Look at all that red. Yeah, red for girl. Thank you. Blue for boys. Cowboys. Oh shit. Yeah, I already know she not talking shit. She crunk. Yeah, Black Mud is going down over here too. You already know. Every game time, man. She wide up, wide up. She ready. She ain't playing no games in them main say. I don't care. Just don't mess with me and my Cowboys. We going down. Oh, it's going down, y'all. We got Black Mud in the house. We got Black Mud is in the house. Do you hear me, man? Say it's going down. What? Black Mud is in the house and it's going down. You know, say, y'all already know his team is up, y'all. So say, y'all better represent, y'all. Say, cause he it's going down because she in a crunk. Ooh, wait. Say,
And
you see,
you leave her alone too. You leave
man.
that woman alone. Don't be picking on her. Y'all done already won. Now you be happy. Now you leave her alone now.
I
What's
am
up?
happy. I am happy. But yeah, she been talking shit. She tried to cut out my game and she told me, y'all won already. Cut this shit out. I said, you better leave me the hell alone.
Hey, y'all beat the Commanders though, man. That don't count.
Nah, see, I just got on that shit. You can't say no team don't count when the fucking ain't our fault. They suck.
Yeah, I'm just talking. We ain't won yet, so I'm just talking shit. We still got to win. I need to
Yeah,
shut up.
man.
I
I'm
need to
like,
shut up.
no. Y'all playing the Eagles, right?
No, we playing Seattle.
Oh, that's good. Put a stand on their ass. Cause hey, I want all them motherfuckers to go. Yes. Oh, it get crunk. It get crunk. Yeah, I heard it. She talking about. I heard it. Talking about. Yeah, Debo come out there with the boom box. I said, oh shit. She
Family,
get
right?
crunk.
Hey, Mike. That's more family right there.
Already, salute. Already, let's get it crunk
Right
then.
there.
Hey, it's Cowboy Nation over here.
Yeah.
Already, we
See,
all family. Shoot. What? From Dallas, Texas.
here go another one.
Already, I see what. Throw it up, throw it up, throw it
Got
up.
Warren. Got Warren, so I don't want to show his face too long.
This ain't no good for he crazy no more.
Yeah, he got
That boy crazy, man. Number family time. That's all we love. Already, Black Mud represent.
beautiful being around family, man. You ain't got to be doing this shit right here. Look at me, Mike.
Okay. Yo, I already hit it, yo.
At least most of your family. Some of your family be shady now. Don't. Some of them be shady, but I'm
Let
just
me
saying.
let
It's
me
just good
let
being
me
around
hold
family.
$5. Look at all in your
You're right.
wallet
Let me
and
get
shit.
$2. Let me go.
That's what's up. Much love, my bro. Much
Oh,
love. Everybody doing
it might get dark a minute. Hold on. I'm going upstairs.
it's all good shit. We ain't doing nothing but shooting the shit. It's going down. It's game time.
What was the final
Woo!
score?
Man, shit. I forgot my damn self shit we were doing. I know we got up to 40, 40 something. I'm
40
like,
points?
what?
Y'all
Yeah, we
have
got up
40?
there. We got up there, man. That shit tripped
Damn.
me out.
All
That
right, then.
shit tripped me out. I said, damn, usually we'll let up off a team and shit. But now
Yeah.
we got that pick six and shit. I was like, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, we showed our ass today. So Prescott, I don't know what the fuck little bubble he was in, but he waking up now finally.
I'm gonna tell you what happened now. You might not like it.
Oh
But I'm gonna
shit.
tell you what happened today.